Hello, good people. I greet you once again in the beautiful name of the Lord. So, in this lesson, we'll be taking a look at introduction to melodies. All right. I don't think this lesson is going to be long since the topic we'll be focusing on is not that difficult to understand. All right. So, without any waste of time, let's jump straight to the lesson. So, the first thing that you must know before you can start playing the melody of a song is to know how to play the progression of that particular song. I believe that makes sense. The first thing that you must know before you can start playing the melody of a song is to know how to play the progression of that particular song. All right. So in this lesson, I've picked the song Yeshua, and I believe everyone knows this song. The reason why I picked it is because it has a very simple chord progression. Everyone can understand it. All right. So I said the first thing that you must do is to know how to play the progression of a song. So this song has a very simple chord progression. It starts right on number 4. Okay, it says my beloved is the most beautiful amongst thousands and thousands. And then it goes to a second part. Yeshua. Okay, I'm gonna start first by breaking down the progression of the song, and then I'm going to show you how to play the melody of the song. Okay, so it starts right here. Okay, it starts right on number 4, and now number 4 is a second inversion. I believe everyone knows the inversions now. Okay, because I did a part where I cover the inversions. So this is our number 4, and it's a second inversion. From 4, it goes to 1, first inversion. From 1, it goes to 5, second inversion. And on the left, when you play 4, on the left you also go to 4. When you go to 1, on the left you also go to 1. When you go to 5, on the left you also go to 1 to 5. Okay, this is our first part. My beloved is the most beautiful amongst thousands and thousands. And then it goes to a second part. Yeshua. It also starts on number 4. Yeshua. From 4, you're gonna play 5 and then 6. I'm gonna repeat again. From 4, Yeshua. 5, 6, 6, 3. From 6, you play 3. Remember, our number 3 is built by F, G sharp, and then a C. Okay? Okay? This is our number 3. On the left, when you play 4, you also go to 4 on the left. When you go to 5, on the left, you also go to 5, and then 6. When you play 3, on the left, you also go to 3. This song has no slash chords. Okay, good people, I believe everyone saw the progression of the song. So the next thing is to play the melody. All right? Maybe you might be asking, which melody are you going to play? So it's very simple to understand the melody of the song. You're just going to play what the lead singer is singing. I believe that makes sense. You're just going to play what the lead singer is singing. Okay? So I said the progression is my beloved is the most beautiful amongst thousands and thousands. The lead singer is singing ba 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 ba. Okay, you're going to take the exact notes that the singer is singing, and then you're going to play them on the keyboard, but without messing up with the progression. Remember, your progression is 4 on the first part. It's 4, 1, 5. Okay, you're not gonna mess around with the progression. On the left, you're going to play the progression as straight as it is. But on the right, you're going to play the notes that the lead singer is singing, meaning you're going to play, my beloved is the most beautiful among thousands and thousands. My beloved is the most beautiful amongst thousands and thousands. And then the second part, Yeshua. Make sure that the notes that you are playing corresponds with the notes that you are singing. Make sure that they correspond, because if you play one off note on the keyboard, it's going to be visible. All right, it's Yeshua. All right. So there are some songs that don't require you to play the melody at all. You're just going to play the progression as straight as it is without playing the melody. Okay, if you try to play the melody, you're going to ruin it. But there are some songs that require you to play the melody of a song, like this song. I have no other God but you. I have no other God but you. Okay, as you can hear, I'm following exactly what the lead singers are singing. Okay, I have no other God but you. If I try to play a straight progression, it's going to be boring. I have no other God but you. I have no other God but you. Okay, it requires you to follow the melody of the song. All right, I can make another example with the song We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Okay, the straight progression of that song is I'll be making an example on the key of C sharp. It's we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's the straight progression. But if I add the melody, this is how it's going to sound. Okay, I believe you can hear the difference. That's what the melody sounds like of the song. You just follow what the lead singer is singing. You find every single note that the lead singer is singing, and you play those notes on a keyboard. All right, please guys, if you don't understand what I taught here in this lesson, please send me a message on WhatsApp, and I'll try to do another video and explain it even more. All right, I'll try to do another video and explain it even more. If there's any topic that you want me to cover, please send it to me, and I'll try by all means to make a video on that topic and send it to you.